there's one thing that you always seem to be short of, and that's storage space. And if you're into toolboxes, like I am, you've got a lot of toolboxes, no matter what, no matter how many you have, you seem to run out of space after a while. And this rolling toolbox from Garvee is a great way to help fill a gap. So this is a really nice set with 4 drawers. They're all pretty deep, which is great, so you can do pliers and do other things without having to worry about it being too narrow. It's got a locking system here with 2 keys, so you push all the drawers in, and then turn this lock. Now all the drawers are locked. Can't open them. Undo the lock here, and they all slide real nice. It comes with all this padding, which is helpful to be able to put things on there and not have it slide around. And your tools as well inside. They're all cut fit. You don't have to do any cutting, just lay them into place in each drawer. You've got your short drawer at the top and your deeper ones down below. And the nice thing about this is it comes on casters, so you can roll it around, take it to whatever project you're working on, and you can lock those casters in place too. You gotta click down with it on your foot there, and it locks the front 2 casters. It's got a handle here as well, so you can pull it around, move it around your shop, and get jobs done. Overall, the whole thing is steel construction. There's really no plastic anywhere on this device that I'm aware of. I didn't see any at all. It's all steel, really well made, and a great addition for me to augment what I've got with my other toolboxes here as well. I hope that helps. Learn a little bit more about this Garvee 4-drawer rolling tool chest. I hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.